In the back of your packet, you will find a worksheet that looks very similar to the one in front of you. The place value blocks will be a little different, but I want you to find that sheet, gently rip it out, and put your name, number, and date on it. And I'm going to give you instructions on how to do that worksheet. So pause the video, do that, and meet me back here. Okay, in this worksheet, we will be using place value to help us with rounding. Now, right now, I'm just showing the top half of the worksheet. In a moment, the next video that you watch, you'll be doing the bottom half of the worksheet. So right now, let's focus on the place value blocks. I see some place value blocks. I see some hundreds, tens, and ones. And I'm looking at the instructions in the boxes. This box says tell the number. This box says 10 more. This says 10 less. This says 100 more, and then I see 100 less. So basically, I am looking at the place value blocks, and I am deciding what the number is. Well, let's look at this number. What is it? Let's count up the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. Now, your paper is different than mine. So you will not be writing 600 unless you have 600s on your paper. Right now, you're just watching me do this as an example. Now, how many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. So my number is 637. Your number will be different, but you will put that number in the box. Now we need to say, what is 10 more? What is 10 more than 637? Well, let's look at the tens place. There's a 3 in the tens place. What's 10 more? Or what is 1 more than 3 tens? So we have 3 tens, that's 30. 10 more would be 4. So our 10 more of our number is 647. 10 less, well, if we have 3 tens, that's 30. What's 10 less? That's 20. So 10 less of 637 is 627. Awesome. Seems pretty straightforward, huh? Next question. 100 more. Well, now we go to the hundreds place. There are 600 and 637. What is 100 more than that? That's the only place value we're looking at. We're not changing any of the other place values. So 100 more is 7. 737. And then 100 less. Well, what is 100 less than 600? 500. 537. So these boxes on the bottom, you are changing the original number. Okay? Don't be confused and ask yourself, do I need to say 10 less than this number, 100 more than this number? No, you are changing this number in the boxes. And you'll do that with whatever place value box you have on your screen. Now we are at the bottom half of the worksheet, and we are being asked to fill in the number line plot and plot the number by making a dark circle. Our number was 637, and I see on this number line it's that we have 630 already plotted on there, and we need to put 637 somewhere on this number line. Well, if we're at 637, let's just count up 7 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A dark circle on 637. Now, you will do this on whatever your number is that you have on your worksheet. Now, it will be different than mine. Now, we have some questions in these boxes down here below. We are going to be asked what 2 tens are shown on your number line, which 10 is less, which 10 is more, and which 10 is your number closer to. I'm actually going to label our number with 637 just so we can have a visual. And we need to know what 2 tens are shown on our number line. Well, when they say what 2 tens, they're asking what 10 spot does 637 fall in between on the number line? Well, I know that there are 3 tens, so it's going to fall between 630 and the next 10, what is the next number after 3? 4. So the next 10 is 640. So I'm actually just going to label that right now, just so I can see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 600. and 40. So the two 10s on my number line are 630 and 640. And you will do this for whatever number that you see represented on your number line. Which 10 is less? This is a pretty obvious answer. Which 10 is less? 630. Which 10 is more? 640. Which 10 is your number closer to? Now this is the rounding skill. As we get into rounding, you'll see that rounding is a number that's closest to a place value spot. So 637, is it closer to 630 or 640? It's closer to 640. The number that you have on your worksheet, it may be closer to the lower number. Just have to watch out and make sure and see. All right, so that is how you do this worksheet. I want you to be careful, make sure that you do both sides of the worksheet. There are two problems, one on each side, so make sure you do that. When you're done, I want you to put it in the pathway section. So thank you for learning with me.